Number 1 is companion. The wife number 2, co-creation. Wife number 3 is commotion. Fuji has a commotion. It's a commotion. It is like the confrontation.
Atopolo, Atikonko. What differences?
I know something.
G. Yeah. Biro. 50 naira. 50 naira. I drink for it. Drink. Yeah. Hey, no, go What?
It's still colder than now. It's not drunk.
Wait, now, Bakasali can't. Go hold your brother. Just come.
We are still enjoying our day. We've not finished that.
We've not even finished. It's a big way. I didn't get in the bucket. Oh, yeah, hurry up. Oh, get my bucket, though. What is it? Our bucket. That's your bucket. What is the bucket? Hey, what do you mean the buckets are not there? Are you sure you start well? Yes, now. But we kept them here now. What do you mean the buckets are not there? They are not buckets. No, back aside. What? Back aside. We can't find the bucket.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, you people are on your own. You people are on your own.
My children.
Ọmọ níyọ̀ ayé ẹ dìbò fọ́mọ torí lẹ́yìn wá ọ̀la ọmọ ni yóò délé ẹni o ọmọ níyọ̀ ayé ẹ dìbò fún wọn torí lẹ́yìn wá ọ̀la ọmọ ni yóò délé ẹni o níyọ̀ ayé ẹ dìbò fọ́mọ torí lẹ́yìn wá ọ̀la ọmọ. nàìjíríà ṣe òwe.
Don't try me.
But it's not fair now.
When you people were rushing me, you didn't know. You were rushing me.
I didn't rush you now. I will slap you now. What's your problem?
Bami, we went down the road to the beach to play. We lost track of time and I came back home late.
plan to fetch water. We just wanted an excuse to leave the compound.
Casa.
Bami, we are sorry we went to the beach. Yes.
Have I ever stopped you from going to the beach?
No, sir.
Did you tell me you were going to the beach?
No, sir.
We thought you will not allow us to go and play.
Have I ever stopped you from playing?
Yes.
Hey!
I should forgive you?
Yes. Forgive you for turning off the tap or lying. Eh? You these children, you can kill.
What is your business?
This is your problem.
What's your own in this matter?
Rebel children of rebel mother.
We shall soon see. You've had your crystal water.
Krista, you will know. Krista is not going to be like this. Look at you. You will see the way I'm going to bring this down. Not like these ones. Hey, Krista. You will know secrets.
You have urinated. Now what's with this?
So you people can laugh? No. You can laugh? If I see any rotten tooth out there, I'm going to pull it out. Nonsense.
Oh, go.
Thank you very much.
Oh no, you will just leave them like that. You won't punish them.
What is your business in this matter?
What do you mean by that?
My friend, shut up!
What to send them back? Let me hear what. There should be discipline.
Don't worry.
Look at you. See how you brought them up.
We know
when you see Krista.
Except if I'm not
when
in this house.
you see Krista, the sweet babe. Lovely dude. Hey, Krista.
We will not have
you will know that Krista is a beautiful
Yosuke, your blood did not work. I'll get all of you. I came for the weekend.
Lie down.
Why?
Oh, yeah, you are in the cult, Abi. But I will teach you real cult today when I cut your bottom with this. Lala. Hold him down! Hold him down!
He fights.
Hold him down!
You will not. Baby, please. I will leave the court tonight. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby, please. Baby, please. I will leave the court tonight. Yeah, baby. Yeah.